Well, good morning. Today is Thursday. We've had a couple of real choppy days on the market, and we've been able to make a little bit of money, but not as much as we have when the markets take a strong move in a particular direction. But either way, we'll play the light days, and we'll enjoy the profits when it's a significant day, because you never really know which one is going to present itself. Today, the futures look like it was going to be an up day. We'll see if it holds true. Right now, we're getting no indications, so we'll wait and see what happens. You know, a lot of people are saying that the worst times are behind us. Markets are going to improve, and that may well be. But I'll tell you the way to be certain that it really is improving, and that is when the Fed raises interest rates. That's the key. And right now, the Fed has not raised interest rate. U.S. dollar fell after the Fed made their announcement yesterday, so there's no confidence in the economy. So a lot of the optimism is media generated. So just be very careful about buying anything on a long-term basis. That's why day trading is the answer in today's unpredictable markets. So we'll watch it and see what happens here. Okay, this is the ideal time to buy them. We're now 9:38. You see we've got a pretty good green number, but everything has turned red, which means that prices are pulling back a little bit. This is perfect. Where they started off green, everything went up, went red, and now they're all red. So we'll wait. Let's either see this number start to drop, or these will start to turn green. It's 9:41 right now. There we go. Caterpillar to the upside. Okay, 61 and 64 for the 60s. Oh, we got a few more. Got IWM. I don't like to buy RIM, but I'll do it anyhow. Okay, so we got IWM, Microsoft, and RIM as well. Let's check this out. IWM 145, 146. That's for the 57s. Microsoft 71, 73. That's for the 28s. And RIM 184, 190. That's for the 60s. Okay, I'm going to go shopping. It's 10:15 right now. I thought we'd just take a look and see how we're doing. Caterpillar, we had the 60s. We paid 64. They are now 74. So we made a dime. IWM, we had the 57s. We paid 146. They're now 169. Microsoft, we had the 28s that we paid 73 for. They're now 84. And RIM, we had the 60s that we paid 190, and it's now 182. Remember I said, I'm not so sure about RIM, and it looks like I was right. I think RIM is a stock you need to stay away from for a while. It's been downgraded and just isn't a safe bet, so we should consider ignoring RIM's indication. So we're doing okay. That was 10:15. We'll check it again a little bit later on. Look at this. We're up to 11. I'll give you a little tip on how to stay grounded while you're trading. You need to drive your car downtown. I'm not talking to a mall. Go right downtown, right in the center of the city, and take a walk around. Go up and down a few of the streets. When you see people going to work with their dog tag name tags on, or you see the people sitting there with their coffee cups begging for money, it keeps you grounded. It makes you appreciate just what you've got here, and you'll find that you'll become a better trader. I find that as I start making more and more money, I start to get careless. You're not going to start making some stupid plays because the money disappears very quickly. One of my business partners just told me that he made $1,100 in the first 29 minutes of the day. How many jobs pay you like that? You really got to appreciate what we've got here. Well, I'm back, and what time is it? 12:47 right now. Just finished lunch. Let's see how we're doing. Take another peek. CAT, we had the $60 calls, 85, 86, it just popped up. Right now, we paid 64. There it is, 86. IWM, we had the $57 calls. 196 right now. We paid 146. Microsoft, we had the $28 calls. Now 95, as you can see. We paid 73, and probably the only loser of the day was RIM. We had the $60 calls. It's 176. We paid 190. So, like I said earlier, RIM is probably a great stock to buy right now. So there you go. So let's see how we did. This is what we bought. This is what was indicated this morning. How many contracts at the ask price, so that we keep everything under $1,000. So we had 4 symbols. Total cost $3,754.50. At 10 o'clock, the prices were, as I'm inputting there. So at 10 o'clock, we had made $352 profit on a $37.54 investment, 9.38% return on investment. 1 loser, $45 loss, and 3 winners. These numbers, by the way, include commissions. And at 1 o'clock, let's see how we did at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, they were worth this much. So, still 3 winners, 1 loser. The loss on RIM was a little higher, but so were the gains. We ended up making $807. So, our $37.55 investment is now worth $45.61 for a 21.49% return on our investment. And we're done by 1 o'clock. Not a bad day's work. Get your subscription today.